So we're making what type of kebab now?
Galouti kebabs.
Galouti kebab.
Yeah.
And this is half kg,
Half kg
keema.
of keema.
Very finely minced.
Very finely mixed.
And
Now we'll do the aromatic
yeah.
masalas first.
Yeah.
What we are going to do is take these masalas and heat them a little bit.
Okay.
Dry roast them.
Right.
Till you get the fragrance out.
All right.
And then we'll
let's do it.
Okay. So in this we have Javitri. That is mace.
Javitri is this one.
Yeah,
okay.
That is mace. And this is nutmeg.
Uh-huh.
Bay leaves.
Uh-huh.
Then you have cinnamon.
Uh-huh.
Then you have black pepper.
Yeah.
Then you have cloves.
Uh-huh.
Then you have green cardamom.
Uh-huh.
Then you have your whole cardamom, the black cardamom.
Yep.
Then you have a thing called Kabab chini.
Where can you buy that?
This I have not seen outside at all.
So where do you buy it?
This is we get it from our local grocer. And then you have a thing called peepli.
Okay.
Then you have one star anise.
Okay.
Star anise. The rest we've done. Okay. So we come to this pan which is already a little hot. We put all these inside.
Right. And the flame is high or medium?
Medium. This is
So now you put in the nutmeg.
Crushed
nutmeg in the same pan to dry.
Yeah. And then we just...
How long do you roast them?
Till you start getting the fragrance.
Nice. What, 3-4 minutes?
Yeah. See, you already started getting the fragrance.
Very nice. Very nice. So you did like 4 short bursts.
Yeah, 4 short bursts. And you just see if, you see the masalas.
Wow. It looks beautiful.
But we have to do a little more, so that's very fine.
Okay.
We put this in your strainer so that there is no...
You don't want any fat piece.
No. So if there's any fat piece left, we can give it another churn. Bit of chironji.
Yeah, show me how much chiranji are you putting in? That much?
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe a little less because actually the keema is very little. Mince is not much quantity.
Okay.
But we put in this one.
Okay. Good.
Then we put in a little bit of your
Sesame seeds?
poppy seeds.
Poppy seeds.
ये साथ नहीं चाहिए
Then we put in a little bit of magas, that is melon seeds.
How much? Show me.
Just
Okay.
about this much.
Yeah.
Then you put this in the grinder. All this.
And grind it.
Grind it.
So separately this has to be done, huh?
Yeah. Because it becomes a little pasty, you don't want the masalas in that
Got it.
to get,
Yeah, wet.
Yeah.
So I see where it's become a little gooey.
Yeah.
You didn't want the garam masala to be gooey.
Otherwise, you would not have been able to strain it.
Right, right.
Yeah. These are the roasted black gram without the skin.
Okay, we're going to grind this too?
Then we've got to grind this. This basically has to be ground to a very fine
Consistency.
absolutely fine.
A lot of prep work, huh?
Yeah.
So this is ground fennel seed.
Yeah. Just a little bit. That's it.
Just that much, huh?
Yeah.
Ground fennel seed.
Half a teaspoon.
Got it. Okay, so what do you have here? You have chili and dhania.
Chilies and your coriander.
So you put the green chili and dhania in there.
Yeah.
Now you putting yogurt in there?
Yeah.
And why is that?
That will make the kebabs very smooth and soft.
Got it. How many spoons
So that's
did you put?
2 tablespoons of
Yogurt.
yogurt. So we have a very fine
Paste of
paste here.
yogurt, cilantro, and green chili.
Yeah. Now all we have to do is start our mixing. So first we put in our
Yogurt,
yogurt, green
cilantro
chilies,
mix.
and cilantro.
Mm.
For this, basically, you need hung curd for this.
So that would be better.
Yeah, but
Okay.
we've
We've not done
done
that.
yeah done away with that because of paucity of time.
Right.
And then we put in
That is what is
one
that?
tablespoon of ginger,
Okay.
ground ginger
Yep.
paste. About half a tablespoon of
Garlic.
garlic paste.
Okay.
Then we put
The garam masala we made.
Yes.
Roasted garam masala.
about just this much. Not too much, otherwise it'll be overpowering. That's it.
That's what I was wondering. There was a lot. I thought it was all going in.
That.
Mm.
Then we put in ground
Pumpkin seed and whatever.
pumpkins, melon seeds, chironji, and poppy seeds. Then you put in the fennel, powdered fennel. Then you put in the gram powder.
Got it.
And I just hope to hell we've not missed out on anything.
Raw papaya, I think.
Yeah,
Sitting here.
that'll come.
Salt?
That'll come. So then we put in a raw papaya,
How much?
just about this much. Put
Okay.
tablespoon.
Plus.
Yeah.
A little bit of salt.
Half a teaspoon of salt,
Right.
perhaps a little more. Just a little bit.
Sure.
Then you have some ground red chilies.
Right.
Then you have some coriander seeds, ground coriander
Got
seeds.
ground coriander. Oh, so we forgot to grind the onions, huh?
Yeah, these are those browned onions.
Right.
And
Do you remember how much that was when before it was heated?
yeah, this is just one onion,
Okay.
so we don't want that much.
Okay.
So we're just taking off a little bit here.
Okay. So let me see how much there is in there.
Just about half an onion.
I just want to see. Right. Right. Now that goes in the grinder. So what is that you're putting
So
in?
that was cumin seed.
Right.
Now we put in your
Coriander.
coriander seeds. 1 teaspoon.
Right. Oh, so now we're going to add kevda also in it.
Cap full. A little more than cap full. That's it.
Sweet. So what is this?
It's a piece of charcoal.
Huh.
We're burning this now,
Uh-huh.
and we'll put it in a small cup
Right.
in the mince
Mm-hmm.
and smoke the mince.
With the charcoal.
Yeah.
Fabulous. Okay, now this charcoal is going in the mince, huh?
Yeah.
In that foil. Very cool.
Then we put 2 pieces of clove
Uh-huh.
on the fire
Uh-huh.
next to it. And then we put just a little bit of smoke on it.
That's oil.
Yeah.
What kind of oil is it?
Any cooking oil.
Can you put desi ghee also?
Yes.
And cover it.
And now we'll
Yeah.
So we take out this.
Uh-huh. And probably knead it again, right?
Now we have to quickly heat this. Just
So that's
plain
the-
water. Wet your hands with.
Okay, so it doesn't stick
Yes.
to your hands.
Yeah, so that it doesn't stick to your hand.
Right. A lot of people use oil too, right?
Yeah, but it's already got so much fat inside.
Uh-huh.
This is just to, and basically what you're trying to do is make small
Little balls.
little balls,
Mm-hmm.
and then you flatten them up.
Mm-hmm. There you go.
Basically place it on your.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice. Very nice.
And let it gently.
Mm-hmm. So this is our test piece, right?
Yes.
Nice. Okay. Wow. Look at that. Oh, so that's flipped over once, huh?
That's flipped over.
Fabulous. Look at that.
And just